In iOS 18, we can find and delete our calculator history. In this short video, I'll show you how to delete all calculator history on iPhone. First of all, make sure to update your iOS to iOS 18 and then just open your calculator app. And now to view your calculator histories, just tap on this menu icon at the top left corner. And here you will find all of your calculator histories. And now to delete all of them, tap on edit and tap on delete all, or you can select one by one and then tap on delete, and to delete all just tap on delete all, and that's how we can delete all calculator histories on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.